Coalition of Public Interest Lawyers, a non-governmental organization, says competence should top the list of factors in the election of principal officers at the National Assembly, especially in the lower chamber. Addressing the media, Mr. Pelumi Olajengbesi, national coordinator of the group, urged NASS members to put the nation above party, ethnic, or personal interest when electing their leaders.
It is our position that justice must seem to be done in the speakership election in the 9th Assembly. Due consideration must be given to equality in the process, and all regions must have a fair opportunity to vie for the speakership position. Every Nigerian who is qualified to be in the parliament, who has been there for probably the second or the third time, is also qualified to contest for the office of the speaker. What we will be doing as an organization is one, we are interested in social justice. We are interested in ensuring that position is pressed across federal character, but we are interested in the credibility of the person who will be the speaker, and of course the Senate president also. So immediately any of these people satisfy they are credible by this standing, then we'll think about other regions.
The coalition also reacted to the alleged age discrimination as well as BSc and HND dichotomy reflected in applicants' requirements for recruitment in Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation.
We have concluded all processes and preparation to file a suit against the NNPC on the ongoing discriminatory recruitment process, and we shall ensure under the law that this discrimination is stopped. It is necessary for us to understand that Nigeria is a country that is established by law and that is guided by the principle and the tenet of justice. Discrimination against age of people who are prospective applicants at the level of NNPC job will not stand. Discrimination against the quality of degree, particularly the dichotomy between the HND and the BSc has been reflected in the NSPC recruitment process, will not stand.
Promised to run a check on interested legislators for leadership ahead of the inauguration.
The leadership of the organization is currently digging deep into the records and antecedents of the few characters who have indicated interest for the position of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives in the National Assembly. And our position, in an attempt to profile them, the coalition will continue to keenly follow the events at National Assembly as they unfold, with a mind to call the process to order should it deviate from the path of transparency, equity, justice, and fair play.